What's up guys, welcome to Data Studios. In today's episode I'm gonna show you how to find your IMEI number of your own mobile device, and the footage will be quite short because of the process. The process is quite easy and you can do easily by yourself. So let's begin the video. In here I'm going to show you the process with my Redmi Note 7. So first of all you need to go for your own settings, and at the top side you can find my device and to click on that, and you need to go for the option named all specs and continue that, and at the bottom side you can find status and you need to click on that, and finally you can see my IMA number, and remember that it will be different from each other's users, and in case of mine it will be different from yours. So that's it guys. Before you go, smash the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and stay tuned till then. Bye.